Alright guys, this is not good, bro. I'm stressing right now. I freaking pulled up to this BP gas station this morning at gosh, it was like 7 o'clock to go to the gym. My truck was out of gas, or was out of diesel. I pulled up and this place has green handles everywhere. So I pulled up and filled up and I put gas in it. Pulled up to the gym, worked out, came back, truck started sputtering, and now we're here. I turned it off real quick and we pulled in here. Gosh, this is so bad. I just called the tow truck. I need y'all to pray for me. So I'm gonna bring it back to my house. The tow truck's gonna be like 120 bucks. Jeez, this is so bad. Like, if I do fix this and it's all good, it'll be a pretty cool accomplishment because this is a major L right now. So waiting on the tow truck, it's gonna pick me up. I was just looking at it. I put literally a full tank in here and I got my hood popped and I talked to my buddy. He's a diesel mechanic. I'm pretty mechanically inclined, but I'm not no diesel mechanic, but I know what I gotta do. So I'm gonna bring it back to the house. Tow truck's gonna pick it up. We're gonna bring it there and we're gonna try to fix it. So there's nothing I can't do and there's no challenge I can't take on, but it might have destroyed the whole fuel system, which is the problem with these trucks. If it sucks up gas, it'll put shavings through the whole injection system and that's gonna be like $8 grand to fix. So pray for me because this is really bad, like really bad. So pray for me and I guess let's hope for the best, like always. Oh my God. All right, well, waiting for the tow truck and then I guess I'll pray for the best. That's all I can say. So here we go. This day is not, I did not plan this day to go like this. I got up early, went to the gym, whatever, but you know, it is what it is. So pray for me. Made it back to the house. I think I'm gonna have him back up the truck under my pavilion because I got lots of lights under there and this is gonna be a lot of work. It's gonna be very messy too. So I don't really want to pull it in the shop because the cars are in there. So yeah, I guess, I don't know, let's get at it. All right, y'all, so I got the intake off and first things first, I gotta pull this sensor out right here. So this sensor right here, once I pull this out, I'll be able to see if there's any metal shavings in the fuel system. If there's no metal shavings in the fuel system, I'll be able to fix this. If there is metal shavings in this fuel system, then I'm effed. So we're gonna pull the sensor and I'm really, really hoping that we're gonna be okay. So we got some good freaking news right now. I don't know, we don't know yet, but we got some good news. When you pull this, if there was metal shavings in the system because the pump blew up from the gas, inside this you would see a whole bunch of metal shavings. So I just pulled this sensor and if you look in there, no freaking metal shavings. So that's good. I got the sensor out. We got to put it back in after this, but now the first step is to drain this tank. It smells like gas, so there's probably gas in there. So I got to drain the whole system, fill it up with diesel. I'm going to pull this fuel filter off. I'll show you guys. Unscrew it and then I'm just going to hot wire this. I'm going to put 2 prongs off my jump box into this so it turns on the pump. And it's gonna shoot all the fuel out of the fuel filter. So I'm probably put a bucket right here, shoot it all out, and then dump it until this tank's empty. So I filled up, so I got like a 30-gallon tank that I have to empty. So this is gonna take a minute, but I guess let's get at it. Guys, so we got some redneck ingenuity going on right now. We got pump hot wired. We've got a hose running into a bucket, pumping the fuel. And look what I used as a hose. This is what I used for a hose. I'm not gonna go after what that is, but I had a party the other night. Someone left this, so this is what I'm using to drain the fuel. So wish me luck. I'm trying to be as safe as possible, but we'll just hope I get this thing started. All right, y'all, so I got it all drained 25 gallons later and we're all bone dry. So now I gotta go get some diesel, I gotta go get some fuel filters, and we gotta pray that this thing's gonna crank up. But the truck's down, so I guess we're gonna have to put the Hellcat to work, hop in the Hellkeezy, and pray that this thing freaking starts. So got the key, I'm about to head out. So I guess let's throw these inside, and they're not gonna fit in the back, so we gotta put them in the passenger seat. They're empty right now, but I guess we're just gonna be really careful on the way home. Make sure not to spill no fuel. This is crazy. Gas cans in the Hellcat. So we finally made it. This is crazy. Cans of diesel in the Hellcat. I never thought this day would happen. Alright y'all, we made it back. We got our fuel filters, we got our fuel, and we're not out of the woods yet. I'm really hoping that this fixes it. I gotta put the new fuel in, I gotta flush it through the system, I gotta bleed the injectors. There's a whole bunch of stuff I gotta do, so we got a couple hours of work ahead of us. But we're gonna try and, you know, cross our fingers like I said, and hopefully I get this thing started. So let's pray and you know, trust the process, I guess. I've got both fuel filters cleaned out and filled with diesel, and wow.
For the day is going up substantially on these fucking. He's charging you like 150 a phone call. Holy fuck.
Really? Damn. Yeah. I was thinking like 20 a phone call.
Nah, I'm good with that. So we're up to about 300 bucks.
Listen, man, it might look like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't.
Like, what are you stuck on?
Alright, so I cleaned, both filters are filled with good fuel and flushed. Yeah. This hose you told me I should pull off ain't coming off. It's like hard.
Hard? It's
like hardened rubber.
Those don't really go together, hard and rubber.
Well, it is. It's fossilized.
Fossilized.
So, I can't spell that. So, you think I should just crank it, or should I...
Crank it up and floor it right off the rip.
Okay, I don't know about all that.
No, you gotta make sure you put it to the floor as soon as you get started. Just keep priming the shit out of it, you'll probably be fine.
Alright y'all, so I've been priming the key, and it's the moment of truth. I don't really know what to think, but I guess here we go. Oh my God. I think it might be good. Yo! Oh my gosh. You don't know how happy I am right now. Literally, if I would have ran this truck like this, I know people that this has happened to, where they put gas in these 6.7s, and it cost them 10 grand to fix. Literally $10,000 to fix this problem. But I don't think I have no problems. I'm not gonna, oh my God, I don't even know what to say. I'm really, I think it's good though. Oh gosh, that's such a relief. I'm an idiot, but I fixed it. Gosh, shout out to my boy Kyle. If it wasn't for him giving me a little bit of advice here and there, I don't think we could have fixed it. Cost me, I need to do fuel filters anyway too, to be honest. I was slacking on that. I haven't done it since I bought the truck, and I needed to do those, so I wouldn't say that was $80 in the hole. So the only money I lost was the tow truck fee and the gas I put in it. So I put like 60 bucks in it, and then the tow truck fee was 100 bucks. So 160 bucks is definitely an L, but it's a lot better than $10,000, because if I would have brought this to a shop, they could have said it was effed and it's gonna be 10 grand. A lot of shops are like that. If you guys don't know that, it sounds freaking good, but a lot of shops are like that. You gotta be careful. You'll bring stuff to a shop and they'll say that, oh yeah, it needs 10 grand of work. And really all it needed was what I just did, like little stuff like this. So not exactly this. If you guys, obviously this probably hasn't happened to that many of you, but you just gotta be careful, because I just have seen a lot of stuff. I would have brought this to a shop and not fixed on my own, or at least not tried to fix on my own. You never know what a shop's gonna tell you. They can lie to you. They can tell you, yeah, it's 10 G's because we need to replace everything, but really all you need to do is what I did. So that's a relief. Gosh, you don't know how happy I am right now. I still gotta put on my intake. My intake's off. I gotta put this on, which is just a couple bolts, and we'll be good to go. All right, y'all, so it seems like she's running good. This was an all-day process, but I think we're good to go. But before we say so, we gotta go for a little test drive, a little rip real quick. You guys haven't really heard this truck too much. I have some videos of my older, I have some older videos of this truck when I got the wheels, but I took the wheels off because we're doing a lift kit on this truck soon. But this thing honestly sounds sick. Like when I say it sounds sick, like it really does sound sick. I'm not just saying that. So let's go for a little test drive. All right, so here we go. Listen to this thing. Ooh, she's running hot. Just like she was. Listen to that turb ski. This thing freaking rips. I'm gonna give you all a little rev real quick while we're at this light. Whew. Alright, y'all, well that's gonna be a wrap for this video. She's running great, and honestly this day couldn't have gone any better. I mean, I guess it started off pretty bad, but you know, we stayed true. I believed in myself. I knew I could fix it. Like everything, honestly, this has never happened to me. And by the way, all you guys talking crap that I filled my truck up with diesel, I filled my diesel truck up with gas. That whole gas station, all the pumps were green, all the handles were green. There was one diesel pump and the pump was black. So I don't want to hear it. Could happen to the best of us. But that's a wrap. If you want to cop yourself some merch, I'm doing a 30% out blowout sale on all my merch, all the Hellkeezy merch. There's been a lot of discussion about that, so I'm doing a full blowout sale on that from now on. From now on, after this is gone, it's JG, and the Hellkeezy is gonna stay around, but the merch is not gonna be around no more. So stay tuned for the next video. And by the way, if you ever have any problems with your truck or anything in life, don't just drop it off at the mechanic. Make sure you at least diagnose it somewhat, because imagine if I would have dropped this truck off to get fixed and they were like, oh, Judah, bro, it's gonna be 10 grand, your fuel system's destroyed, it's ruined. That would have been a big deal, and I would have had to believe them, because you gotta trust the mechanic. That's how all this mechanic stuff works. But that's saying that. That's all I really have to say. So it was a good day, and I couldn't be any more happy. So I'll catch y'all later, and stay tuned for the next video. So peace.